With a few thermometers and a humidity gauge, you can learn to take advantage of the natural temperature and humidity differences that will exist in your cellar. Usually, the coolest, most humid area is near the door on the floor. The warmest, driest area is at the ceiling toward the back. Almost any container you have on hand or can buy cheaply can be used in your root cellar. You will need crates or baskets for those foods, such as potatoes and apples, which need containers through which air can circulate freely. For those foods, such as onions and garlic, which need warm, dry storage, mesh bags, the kind onions, potatoes, and fruits sometimes come in, are excellent. Other produce can be stored in wooden or metal barrels, metal tubs and pails, plastic or metal garbage and trash containers, or sections of 18-inch and 24-inch tile. All floor containers should be raised off the dirt floor to prevent rotting and rusting of containers, and mold and insect infestation of the food. Crude wood pallets, sometimes available for free at building or garden centers or appliance stores, are ideal for this purpose. You can buy heavy-duty metal shelving or make your own of 2x12 lumber with 2x4 shelf braces. For maximum strength, there should be a vertical support every 4 feet, and these supports should be attached to the roof supports. A piece of scrap aluminium or plastic under the vertical supports will help retard rotting. The boards also may be treated with 2 coats of commercial wood preservative. Nail 2x4 shelf braces to the vertical supports. Cut shelves to fit and set in place, but do not nail down so that shelves may be removed for cleaning and airing.